show. So the agenda is quite simple. First of all, when all these 13 CMs or the deputy CMs, when they are in Kashi Vishwanath ji, they get to do the darshan of Baba Bholenath, and this also sends across the length and breadth of the country wherever BJP rule is there, that what is the relevance of the corridor, and they, in a way, the janta of that state also participates in that, but not to reduce it to a mere event or on a Shraddha ka Vishay. All these chief ministers were called in to do presentations. What are they doing on good governance? So it cannot be seen in the relevance of the UP election only. But what is the Nagaland CM doing? What is Khattarji doing there? He has nothing to do with UP elections. But if these all CMs are coming, they are presenting their good work, and it is happening under the umbrella and Ashirwada Baba Bholenath in the holy city of Kashi. So it is the Kashi corridor, it is the Ashirwad, and it is also business. You see, yesterday at 1:15 a.m. रात के 1:15 बजे, Prime Minister went along with Yogi Adityanath ji to look what is happening at the Kashi station. How is the work progressing? And that took everybody by surprise when we started getting tweets at 1:15 a.m. in the morning. I mean, if that is the amount of dedication which Prime Minister brings to the table, obviously the event was yesterday. They have been called today. They are supposed to discuss, get the Ashirwad of Baba Bholenath, and let the country and their people, wherever they are ruling, know the relevance and also signify the message. Business has to go on, things has to go on, governance has to go on. So it cannot be seen in a narrow prism of an election of one state. Otherwise, only people from UP would have been called. What is the Khattarji doing, or what is anybody else doing? So it is the good governance message sent from Baba Bholenath ki Nagari Kashi to the entire India. That is the motive and mission of this.
Okay, Arvind Gupta.
What I meant, and what Arvindji probably knows, but he's a smart spokesperson, he will try to divert it. I meant dharma and karma. As a politician, good governance is your karwa and दायित्व. When you are जब आप धर्म का निर्वाह करते हैं, तो उसी समय अपने दायित्व और कर्म का भी निर्वाह करें. मैं हिंदी इंग्लिश में दोनों समझा चुका हूं, so that it's for the clarity. Now let's talk. We need absolute numbers. 6 international airports, 6 international highways, highest Bhugtan to Ganna Kisan, 59 medical colleges, Balrampur project, Kashi Vishwanath corridor, Sri Ayodhya, Sri lowest encephalites, number 1 in GDP earner, number 2 in GDP earner in India, number 2 in ease of doing business, number 1 to get the FDI from the foreign. If this is not development, what else is development, sir? If your numbers, come and talk numbers if you are better than yours. I have given you numbers. If you want, I can continue for next 15 minutes giving you more and more numbers.
No, you don't have to give us numbers.
Okay. Vineet, it is absolute numbers if your numbers are better. And I want to also say one thing to Gupta ji. Adarni Akhilesh Yadav ji कहते हैं, भाई मैं यदुवंशी हूँ. If you are a यदुवंशी, why don't you put in your manifesto, the day I will win the election in UP, मैं अयोध्या से बड़ा शहर और बड़ा मंदिर मथुरा में बनाऊंगा. आप तो श्री कृष्ण के वंशज है ना, इसको मैनिफेस्टो में डालिए, put it in your manifesto and declare to the people. But the problem is you will not do it. And honestly, Vineet ji, yesterday Mr. Akhilesh Yadav's comment about the Honorable Prime Minister was very bad. I didn't take it in the good light. कि भाई काशी में कौन आता, यहीं रहे काशी में. I mean, these kind of things, you should not hit below the belt if you're a politician. You counter the Honorable PM with a narrative. You counter development with a counter development. You counter numbers with counter numbers. But, getting personal and, relating Kashi, the city of death, and, this is what this leaves a very bad taste of politics in the mind of people. Because remember, when these things happen, we need the people across the country are seeing that. Is this what the young and dynamic leadership of Samajwadi Party is about? Is this how you will counter Modi? Is this how will you counter BJP?
Okay, let's take a response. Let's take a response from Arvind ji on that as well. Arvind
जी, मैं आपका जवाब दूंगा. देखिए, महादेव के वक्त हम भी है सर, और अनंत भक्त है शुरू से. ये देखिए, मतलब I wear my religion on my sleeve and proudly. So ये आज इस शो पे नहीं, कई शो पे कह चुका हूँ. दूसरी बात, अब आप देखिए, आपने कहा 6.5 लाख ओपीडी हुए और 1200 ऑपरेशन हुए. चलिए, मैं मानता हूँ आपका आंकड़ा सही है, बिल्कुल गलत नहीं है सर. 6.5 लाख का नंबर गोरखपुर जैसे छोटे शहर में, 1200 ऑपरेशन का नंबर गोरखपुर जैसे छोटे शहर में, जहां पहले कुछ नहीं था. when we were all born, we were all wearing diapers. Nobody is born running athlete. So things have to evolve, they have to develop. We are talking from no development to zero development. Honorable Prime Minister said there are 7 districts of Gorakhpur when the viral encephalitis is almost reduced. 9,600 crores of irrigation facility in Balrampur, benefiting 26 lakh farmers and 54 lakh hectares of land. Is that not true? You look at the Sri Ayodhya, the amount of development which has happened there. Now the point here is I am okay to do a comparison of development, but there cannot be a comparison between no development and development. Look at the गुंडागर्दी. आज तो लोगों को डर लगता गाड़ी ने पलट जाए यूपी में. आज बहुत बड़े बड़े जो सरगना थे, माफिया डॉन थे, अरविंद जी, उनको यूपी में आने से डर लगता, कहता हमें पंजाब की जेल में रखो भैया, यूपी में नहीं आना. ये हुआ है जब आपकी मंशा और जब करनी में फर्क नहीं होता. द इंटेंशन ऑफ कर्मा डिटरमाइंस द आउटकम ऑफ कर्मा. ये भगवत गीता में भगवान श्री कृष्ण खुद कह गए. अरविंद जी श्लोक भी पढ़ा के सुनाऊंगा. इंग्लिश का शो है, फिर कभी हिंदी में मिलेंगे तो वहां भी हो जाएगा. But the point here is Vineet, I am talking about practical, tangible things. I am talking about practical, tangible development, ease of doing business, GDP, foreign exchange runs. I am talking about the crime rate is brought down, and according to the latest unemployment figures at Samajwadi Party, it was 17%. Today it is 5.6%. So ये unemployment कहाँ से भरी? Let me talk about Jewar Airport, Vineet. 1 lakh direct jobs and opportunities to earn 9 lakhs. Jewar Airport in itself will create 1 million opportunities to earn. If this is not development, what is development, sir? And let me tell one more to Arvind ji. It was 3 years back, 2018 की बात है Arvind ji. मिस्टर राहुल गांधी जी, कांग्रेस के बहुत बड़े नेता, वो पूर्वांचल से जा रहे थे. उनकी एसयूवी फॉर्च्यूनर फंस गई, खड्डों में फंस गई. उन्होंने फोटो खींच के खूब ट्वीट कर दिया, फोटो बना दिए. आज उसी पे 3 साल बाद प्रधानमंत्री जी शिलान्यास करते हो. C-130 हरक्यूलिस उतारते, AN-92 उतरता है, सुखोई उतरता है, जगुआर उतरता है, स्पेशल फोर्सेस आते हैं, प्रोटेक्शन करते हैं, और उसी रोड से उड़ के जाते हैं. ये 3 साल में अरविंद जी. This happened in 3 years.
I want a reaction from Shivam as well. Shivam, quickly in less than a minute. Good luck with that.
I will. देखिए विनीत जी, the first question is, there has been no known scam in UP or elsewhere in these 5 years in the Indian. Point number 1. तो कुछ स्कैम वो वाली राजनीति. किसी भी चीज का एमएसपी देखिए 1.5 से डबल हो गया. अब की बार गन्ना किसानों को उतना पैसा दिया गया जो आप 10 साल में नहीं दे पाए. हाईएस्ट प्रोक्योरमेंट, हाईएस्ट पेमेंट हैज बीन डन टू द गन्ना किसान. और सर अब की बार किस्तों में पैसा नहीं दिया गया, एक बार दिया गया. मुझे बताइए 59 मेडिकल कॉलेजेस डेवलपमेंट नहीं है. एक पूर्वांचल एक्सप्रेस वे सबसे बड़ा 3 साल में बनता है, वो डेवलपमेंट नहीं. यूपी में एक कोने से दूसरे कोने तक 11 घंटे में पहुंचते, ये डेवलपमेंट नहीं है. 6 इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट डेवलपमेंट नहीं है, 15 रेलवे स्टेशन डेवलपमेंट नहीं है, 6 एक्सप्रेस हाईवे डेवलपमेंट नहीं है. अरविंद जी क्या है सर बता दीजिए. और लास्ट अरविंद जी से कहूंगा कि अखिलेश जी से बोलिए, अपने मैनिफेस्टो में डिक्लेयर करिए ना, भव्य काशी, भव्य मथुरा में मंदिर. यदुवंशी है ना आप, कर लीजिए डिक्लेयर.
Sumit, hold on. Sumit, he had specific questions.
I talked about the corruption.
Arvind ji सारे सवालों को जवाब दे दिए. He's answered all your questions.
Which is there any question which I have not answered? I'm happy to do it, sir.
बताइए ना,
बताइए सर.
बात बताइए, कौन से गांव बताइए जो आदर्श ग्राम इन्होंने आदर्श बनाए, एक गांव का नाम बताइए.
ये देखिए, ये डाटा मेरे पास अभी नहीं है. ये डाटा मेरे पास अभी नहीं है.
अरविंद जी ऐसे
इसका आंसर मैं आपको अगली बार दे दूंगा. मेरे पास अभी डाटा अवेलेबल नहीं है. ये एक बहुत सब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन है, मेरे पास डाटा नहीं है. होता तो मैं आपको जरूर दूंगा. अगली बार मिलेंगे अरविंद जी, डाटा जरूर दूंगा.
अरविंद जी ऐसा डेटा किसी के पास अपनी
ऐसा डेटा किसी के पास नहीं होता सर.
ऐसा डेटा किसी के पास शायद अपनी उंगलियों पर ना हो, खासकर विपक्ष के लोगों के पास.
एक विनीत भाई, एक चीज अरविंद जी को बताऊं कि अब की बार जब भैंसे खो जाती है ना, पुलिस भैंसे नहीं ढूंढती, अपराधियों को ढूंढती है. अब की बार किसी की भैंस खोई और एफआईआर लिखवाए, वो डाटा दे दीजिए कहाँ है.
सुमित जी मैं एक बात
Okay, we have run out of time.